Hello, good morning once again. It's Richard Dupey here. Today is Friday Bonanza, and I have some simple plan also here today. It's also very good. Yesterday, it's only our banker that played, but one of the event played too. The the one in the national paper, we played two. One, the one in the national paper played two. But Lotto is like that. The one you choose might not play, and then you go and play another one. So the one in national played 31 and then 65. Here is it. You see the one in national. This one. The one that play from here and then the 31 repeated and play with the 65. So today is only the confirmation is only two. It's in Friday Bonanza paper itself. So let's take a look at it and see how it is. A very simple plan for us to win too short today. Here is it. When you come to year 2018, this is the first confirmation. It's not transferred today. It's not transferred. Year 2018 at machine event 5C7. You see 42 will play first. Following week, the 86 will play. So as the 86 play, then following week, you see the 42 will jump and play with 63. 42 play first, following week 86, then the 42 will jump and play with 63. So that is our first confirmation. If you see something like this, so far as it's also our confirmation, even the event is good. I don't know. Some smart people usually see those things and then stake it small. This one like this. If it's not just some one or two things, this event I can use this. I can use this event also. So I'm using this particular event. I'm using this particular event. I'm using the other one. If not, I would have used this one. This one is also good. But just that Lotto is some way, so that's why you see some things, and because of some few things about the plan, that's why you are using it. But if you notice the one that played that yesterday, you see that because Lotto is a bad thing. So this one, how will you choose this event? Is it because of the numbers that play from here and here that makes that event to play, or why? That is the question that you ask yourself. It does not play anything in machine, does not play anything before playing the 31, just to confirm that particular event. But this event rather play the two. So if you want to choose, like I want to choose three numbers, I could have even choose that 31, 65, and then the 76 as the number, or maybe 31 joining them because of each turning. So that is how Lotto is. Sometimes the one that you believe will not come, and the one that you didn't believe will rather come. So this is how some of the things are set. But today's one, this is the confirmation. Playing 42 first before 86. Following the 42 have to come and then play with the 86. So this event is also good. Very, very, very good today. Please, I want to show you guys something also here. I've forgotten. I did not really realize it right now. I just saw it. Here, you see that 41 over there. This 41 over here, on top here. You can. I will urge you, if you believe in me, that showing the plan, you can stake this 41, 42 also. I will stake it myself. That's what I'm telling you. You can stake the 41, 42 also over here. Because this particular plan, this one is a new setting. The one that I'm showing you right now is a new setting. Like it's the 85 that it plays over here. I would have shown you this one rather, the 41, 42, being the two short. Because it's in national. We usually set that in, and then the 42 will play, and then 85, then following week, then the 42 will jump and play with the 41. But here you will notice that is the 81 that the 86 that counter over there to the 41. So this, even the top here is also good, but you can try the 41, 42 as a two shot on its own. But that is not what I'm using. What I'm using today is the 42, 63. Now let's go to the main plan. We wasted a lot of time. Let's go to the main plan and then we see how it is. When it comes to year 2007, it begins from that 38. By 2007, you see 81 at position. Ending of 2007, you see 81 at 4th position. Then you count from the 81, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then you see single 4 also at 2nd position. Just like how the 81 is at 2nd position. I say 4th, but forgive me. It's at 2nd position, and then the single 4 is also at 2nd position. Then 4 is down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you see 43. So you count from that 43. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks down. Then that 4 will turn 40 to play at winning. So as the 40 play, then you count from that 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks down. Then you see the 42 play at the position that is 4th position over there. Then following week the 86 will play. So as the 86 play, 72 will also go to machine. 72 will also go to machine and play at position that is 4th position. So following week, you notice that the 42 jumps and play with the 63. That is the two shot that we are looking for today. So you see that 81 that we saw over there. The 81 will also tend to give us 18. That is the counter of that 63. So our 3 numbers will be 18, 63, and then 42. The one that I told you to try at the top, you notice that 26 is also on the event. That is the first one I show you. 22 is also on the event. The 26. That's why I said I myself I'll PERM here. But this is what we are looking for. So 42, 63. It's the same thing that we have at the top here. The 42 playing at that position, and then following week 86. So following week the 42 will jump and play with the 63, and then the 81 will turn 18 to give you 2 group 9, and then the 42 to give us the 3 numbers. So as you can see, it's the same thing. If you don't want to, people who don't waste time on plan or checking if there are some new keys and things, they only see maybe 42 play and then 86 play, and then following week the 42 will jump and play with 63. When you come here to the same thing, that is Famikwa. 42 play first, 86 following week, 42, 63. That is Famikwa. So this is the main event that I'm using today. This particular event to wear. So now let's go to current and confirm it. Let's go to current. You already see the current is the same thing, so current confirmation is the same thing. But the main event that I just showed you, see the 81. It starts from some this 38, but the 81 is what we really needed. So that is the 81 playing at 2nd position over there. Then you count from the 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 weeks down. Then the single 4 will also play at the same position, that is 2nd position. Then 4 weeks down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you see the 43 also at winning. So as the 43 play at winning, then come from there. 48, 1, 2, 3, 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 weeks down. Then that single 4 will turn 40 to play at winning. Then from there, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks down. Then the 42 will play the position. That is 4th position. Then following week 86 will play. Then you see 72 at 4th position. So as the 72 play at 4th position, the following week the 42 will come and then play with the 63, and then the 18 will join it. So it's the same thing here. That 42 from the position will also jump and then play with the 63 and then the 18. So as you can see, the first the Famikwa, that is what I'm saying, that that is what people usually call it. The 42 play and then the 86, then following week the 42 jump and play with 63. The same thing, 42, 86, 42, you jump and play with 63. Then 42, you jump and play with 63. So when you come to this our event, you notice that it's the same thing, 42, then the 86. So the 42 have to jump and play with the 63. So this is the event I'm using today, event 66. In itself, it's not transfer event 66. The 42 is the first number, play with 26, 63, 29, and then 18. I'm going over it again, event 66, and the numbers on the event are 42, 26, 63, 26, 29, and then 18. Those are our 5 numbers that I'm using today. I'll write it at the description below, so if you go there you will see it. I don't know whether I should call. Okay, as you watch the event or you watch the plan up to this point, I will show you what I was talking about earlier, that the 41, 42 is a national. I will show you so that maybe you can also keep it down. If you said, and I don't remember, you that you've seen it, you can remember it and stick it. That is how Lotto is. So that's why showing the plan is very, very, very good. As you can see, I told you, here is it. You see the 42 here. You see the 42. Then it will give us 85. I told you, if like it's 85, the 42 will jump and play with the 41. You see that number is the 3 number that is on it. With the 26, I already told you that the 26 on it. So you can see the 42 will jump and play with the 41, and then the 26. But because it's not 85 that it plays, that is the main reason why I'm not basing on this particular plan. Like it's 85, I'll base on it. But even the 86 that he played, you know that the 86, the counter is that 41. The counter is the 41. So you notice that the 42 jump, play with the 41, 42, and then the 26. So it's on the first confirmation that I showed you. It's on it. Even this plan, there's also another one somewhere. But it's not what I'm looking for today. So anytime it's set, I'll take you there. I'll show you the other one also. Then we see how it is. Thank you very much for being here. And hoping and praying Friday Bonanza PS. Not only banker again. We want the 2 shot to play at least. If not the 3 direct, the 2 shot to play at least. Thank you very much for being here. And I hope and pray we get our wins. And bye for now.